going to make this really short video today to make it abundantly clear so people don't have to ask the same question hundreds of times per day, because literally they do. So you can just direct them to this video if it helps, and I will answer that question for you. The answer is yes, as long as your coin is an Ethereum token that's on the Ethereum blockchain. Then when the fork of PulseChain happens, and PulseChain is a fork of Ethereum, so when PulseChain forks and simultaneously launches, yes, as long as you're holding your Ethereum tokens in your personal self-sovereign MetaMask wallet, you're going to get a copy, okay? It's that simple. That does not mean having your coins on an exchange. If your coins are on an exchange that's centralized, they're not really your coins. Hate to break it to you, but Binance technically owns them, and they can do whatever they want with them. So make sure you own your own wallet. I prefer MetaMask. Make sure you hold the Ethereum tokens in MetaMask at the time of launch. It's really that simple. When is launch? Nobody knows yet. But you can stay informed by going to PulseChain.com and joining the Telegram group from that website, PulseChain.com. Now, if you have Liquid Hex, will it be copied? Yes, you will get a one-to-one copy of all of your Liquid Hex on PulseChain, as long as you're holding at the time of the launch. What about Staked Hex? Also, yes. That's probably the most asked question about PulseChain. What about your Staked Hex? Yep, it's getting copied too. Great, right? Now, what about your Chainlink? Will I get a copy of my Chainlink on PulseChain? Yes. Will I get a copy of my Uni token on PulseChain? Yes. What about Compound, VeChain, Decentraland, Aave, Shiba Inu token? Yes. Yes, you're going to get a copy of all those coins as long as they're on the Ethereum blockchain. What about my NFTs? Again, yes, as long as the NFTs existed on Ethereum. Now, what about Dogecoin? No. Dogecoin is not eligible for the PulseChain Airdrop because it's not an Ethereum-based token. What about things like BNB? Well, if you own BNB on the Ethereum network, then yes. If you own BNB on a different network like the Binance Smart Chain, then no. It's really very simple, guys. You have to own the coins in a self-sovereign wallet on the time of the launch date, and they have to be Ethereum-based tokens, NFTs or ERC20s. Now, how do I know if my coin is an Ethereum-based token? Well, you can go to etherscan.io and just look it up. If you're not sure if your coin is an Ethereum token, first of all, check to make sure you're connected to the Ethereum network on your MetaMask. And if you're holding the token in MetaMask and it says it's connected to Ethereum, it's an Ethereum token. If you really aren't sure, you can also go look it up on etherscan.io. Look it up in the little search bar there, and if it shows up, congratulations, it's an Ethereum token. So for the PulseChain Airdrop, you will get a copy of any Ethereum-based token. I hope this was helpful. And please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button to stay up to date about all the latest activity in Hex, PulseChain, and all the latest crypto content that's actually focused on making you money and not ripping you off. I don't charge for anything. It's all free. Just asking for a like and a subscribe. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next video.